If you think Apple's iPad mini line is just a tiny tablet for reading ebooks and casual browsing, what the latest supply chain leaks reveal about the upcoming iPad mini 8 camera architecture is going to completely flip your expectations. For over a decade, the camera system on Apple's smallest iPad was treated as a secondary feature, a basic sensor slapped on the back almost as an afterthought. But internal code leaks, manufacturing schematics, and industry reports indicate that Apple is engineering a fundamental shift in how the camera array operates on the iPad mini 8. From a total hardware repositioning to spatial capture capabilities and deep integration with next-generation artificial intelligence, this upgrade is designed to turn the smallest tablet in Apple's lineup into a high-powered mobile creation tool. To understand why the camera redesign on the iPad mini 8 is drawing so much attention, you have to look at the biggest design flaw that has frustrated users for years: the orientation of the front-facing camera. On previous iPad mini models, Apple placed the front camera at the top portrait bezel. While that worked fine for holding the tablet like a phone, the vast majority of users actually dock, prop up, or hold their iPad horizontally for FaceTime calls, Zoom meetings, and video recordings. That awkward placement meant that whenever you looked at the screen during a video call, you appeared to be staring off to the side, creating an unnerving, off-center eye contact angle. Leaked CAD renders and supply chain component lists confirm that Apple is finally fixing this glaring flaw. The iPad mini 8 is set to migrate its front-facing center stage camera to the long landscape edge. Moving the front camera module to the landscape bezel requires a total internal rearrangement of the display drivers, magnets, and internal wiring harness. By repositioning this camera, Apple aligns the iPad mini 8 with the modern landscape-first design language seen across the rest of the iPad lineup. When you mount the tablet on a desktop stand or hold it in landscape mode, your eyes naturally line up with the camera lens, delivering a natural, head-on perspective for video calling, streaming, and remote meetings. But repositioning the lens is only the beginning of the physical overhaul. The front-facing camera itself is receiving a major internal hardware upgrade. While maintaining Apple's signature ultra-wide lens layout for center stage, the machine learning feature that automatically pans and zooms to keep you in the frame as you move, the actual sensor behind the glass is getting larger. A larger sensor footprint means the camera can capture significantly more light. In low-light environments, like dimly lit home offices, coffee shops, or evening travel settings, previous iPad mini front cameras suffered from heavy visual noise and soft detail. The upgraded landscape camera sensor on the iPad mini 8 drastically lowers noise levels, delivering crisp, clear high-definition video feeds without relying on harsh software artificial smoothing. Now, let's pivot to the back of the device, where the rear camera system is getting an equally important technological facelift. Historically, Apple kept the rear camera on the iPad mini basic, featuring standard single-lens setups that paled in comparison to the multi-lens arrays found on modern iPhones. While the iPad mini 8 is not expected to gain a bulky dual or triple camera bump, Apple is upgrading the core primary wide-angle sensor with a wider aperture and enhanced optical stabilization mechanics. Why does a rear camera on an 8-inch tablet matter so much? Because the iPad mini is uniquely positioned as the ultimate field unit. Architects use it on construction sites, medical professionals use it in clinics, insurance adjusters rely on it for damage inspections, and field journalists use it for quick mobile reporting. For these real-world professional workflows, a fast, reliable rear camera is an absolute necessity, not a gimmick. The upgraded primary rear camera on the iPad mini 8 brings an expanded dynamic range and a wider lens aperture, allowing the sensor to gather more physical light in fractional shutter speeds. This makes capturing detailed photos of documents, physical structures, or fast-moving field subjects remarkably sharp and accurate. The visual performance of both front and rear cameras is elevated further by the chip driving the iPad mini 8. Code discoveries in Die-Cut. The device will be powered by Apple's next-generation silicon, featuring a drastically upgraded image signal processor, or ISP. In modern mobile photography, the physical glass lens only does half the work, the internal silicon does the rest. When you tap the shutter button on the iPad mini 8, the advanced ISP performs billions of calculations per second behind the scenes. It breaks the image down into microsegments, instantly analyzing foreground lighting, background contrast, skin tones, and texture boundaries. The result is zero shutter lag, rich color accuracy, and immediate HDR balance even in high-contrast outdoor lighting conditions. This upgraded silicon integration unlocks another huge feature rumor: spatial video capture. As Apple continues to build out its ecosystem around spatial computing and immersive media, hardware compatibility across portable devices is crucial. By combining the processing power of the new chip with refined computational algorithms, the camera system on the iPad mini 8 is engineered to support spatial audio and high-resolution video recording. That means you can capture 3D memories on a compact tablet that you can relive in stunning depth on spatial headsets or high-definition immersive displays. Document scanning and augmented reality are two additional areas where this new camera layout shines. Document scanning on a large iPad Pro can feel unwieldy, but holding an 8-inch iPad mini over a desk is natural and effortless. With the iPad mini 8's upgraded sensor and high-speed ISP, document detection occurs instantaneously. The camera automatically detects paper boundaries, flattens glare, removes unwanted finger shadows, and sharpens text down to microscopic fonts in real time. For students scanning lecture notes, business travelers digitizing receipts, or field workers processing contracts, the iPad mini 8 functions as a dedicated high-resolution mobile scanner. Beyond hardware optics and ISP processing, the camera hardware directly feeds into Apple's upcoming artificial intelligence features. On-device machine learning tools rely on real-time visual input to interpret the physical world around you. Pointing the iPad mini 8 camera at an object, text, or landmark allows the system to instantaneously translate foreign text, identify technical components, look up reference product data, or extract actionable information directly into your workspace apps. The camera is no longer just a lens for taking pictures, it serves as a high-speed optical sensor for on-device machine intelligence. There is also intense discussion around how the physical chassis modifications interact with the camera housing. Reports indicate that Apple is redesigning the internal chassis to provide enhanced water and dust resistance for the iPad mini 8. Achieving a water-sealed housing requires precision gaskets and tightly sealed optical glass rings around the camera bump to prevent moisture ingress without degrading optical clarity. This ruggedization ensures that outdoor creators, field workers, and adventure travelers can shoot video or take photos in rain, dust, or high-humidity environments without worrying about condensation fogging up the internal camera elements. To complement the enhanced camera hardware, Apple is also upgrading the microphone array built directly into the camera housings. Clear video quality is useless if audio sounds muffled or distant. The iPad mini 8 features studio-grade directional microphones strategically positioned alongside the landscape front camera and rear lens module. These microphones utilize beamforming algorithms to isolate your voice while actively canceling background environmental noise. Whether you are recording a voiceover for a vlog, hosting a business presentation, or calling family from a noisy airport terminal, the camera and microphone array work in perfect symmetry to deliver clear sound and sharp visuals. When you assemble all the pieces, the landscape repositioning of the center stage camera, the low-light wide-angle rear sensor, the advanced ISP image processing, spatial recording capabilities, and weather-sealed housing, it becomes clear that Apple is reframing the iPad mini 8. It is no longer just a passive content consumption slate. It is evolving into a versatile, pocketable creation engine built for modern workflows, remote communication, and field productivity. As release timelines draw closer, these camera upgrades mark one of the most practical and noticeable transformations in the history of the compact tablet line.